My name is Chris. I'm a creative director. My rating for DreamPlan Home Design is 4 out of 5 stars. For more reviews like this, click below. I was looking for a software package to help me do some interior design layouts for the church we attend because they're doing some renovations. I did a search and found DreamPlan, and the fact that it would allow me to do 3D renderings was appealing to me. It was DreamPlan, first of all because it was free. It allowed me to do some quick and easy 3D modeling without having to pay anything to try it out. And then once I got into it, it just had a lot of different pieces of furniture and furnishings that I could add in to make my layout look more appealing to those who I need to share it with. Getting started was a piece of cake with DreamPlan. I mean, right across the top, all of the navigation buttons on what you could add to the 3D scene are right in front of you. So you can add walls and floors within seconds. The fact that it puts a grid up instantly and snaps to it, you can align walls and things very easily. It really was surprisingly simple to get started. Anyone who wants to do some interior design layouts or even just do some fun 3D modeling, I would recommend you try out DreamPlan. It makes things very simple to get started. It has a lot of options to fill your space with furnishings. You can change views very simply. There's a navigator in the lower left where you can move around your scene, look at it from different views. You can colorize things. You can paint, quote unquote, paint walls. There's a lot you can do. So I would recommend giving it a try. There's really little effort to get started, so you really have nothing to lose.